Ahoy and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today I show you my Call of Duty ray gun, custom made for a die-hard fan, I would say. Before I go into the details and show you the little details on the gun, let's just shoot the bit of flash paper and see what happens. You don't laugh about my aiming, it's kind of hard to sit next to the camera. Just let's use my own stuff. Balloon test. Boom. Demo is over, so now you get the little camera ride. I tried to catch all the decals, like the lightning and the wavy things on the fin, the lights in the barrel, of course. Made a matching stand with some light in it. Just accentuates the little gun. And of course, in the rear there, we got the typical riffles, and this is like brass bars. Thin brass wire, too thin, solid brass wire actually, thin brass rod more like, and of course the display, it's all there. That's for every time. That's it for today, guys. I had to wait for the weekend to make a video, and it's like sitting here for a while now. I have shipped that bad boy to the customer who's waiting, and I think he really wants to get his hands on this one and put it in his living room. So yeah, next time I might have another laser gun, actually two, working on a duo, different styles. Might need your opinion on this one. And or Atlas Sniper, Nerf, Borderlands 3 Nerf, assault / sniper rifle. Not sure what it's going to be yet. You're going to find out next time. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.